A collector recently asked me about CTOs, commonly known as cancel to order stamps, and how to enter them into EzStamp. There are several approaches to these kind of stamps. The method I'll show you today you can also apply to other types of non-standard issues such as favor cancel stamps, zip blocks, or copyright blocks. The key point to remember is that EzStamp is robust enough to handle any types of new formats or grades that you may want to enter. So let's begin. CTOs are stamps which are mechanically pre-canceled by the issuing country. Most former Soviet bloc countries issued CTOs by the millions. Many countries like Poland, Russia, East Germany, etc. have more CTOs available than true postally used stamps. The cancels are usually quite uniform and are usually applied in one of the corners. The outstanding feature of these CTOs is that they're usually very sharp, clean, and uniform. Let's look at some examples here. So here's an example of a sheet of Liechtenstein stamps, and if you take a look at the cancel here, you can see it's quite uniform, and you can tell that it's not a regular postal item. Here's another one from Russia. Again, if you take a look at the cancel here, you can see that it's quite uniform, and you can tell that it was applied by a machine. And I have a final one here from East Germany. Again, if you take a look at the cancel, you can see it's just regular uniform, almost like it was done by a computer. All right. Another identifying feature of CTOs is that they have the original gum on them. So are they mint or used stamps? Well, it depends on your definition of mint or used. To some collectors, mint refers to the presence of gum on the back and the stamp has not seen postal use. And used refers to the presence of a cancel on the front of the stamp and they have seen postal use. So CTOs can be classified as either. I prefer to classify them as used, and that is how I inventory them in my collections in EzStamp. You can choose whatever classification you prefer. So let's begin by showing you how to set up a new grade in EzStamp to handle CTOs. Remember, this method can be used to add any grades. I'll be using the Poland database for today's video. So first we begin by going to the Utility menu. We click on Grade Configuration Editor. And here's a list of all the pre-supplied grades that come with EzStamp. And we're going to click on the green plus sign to add a new grade. We're going to call it CTO. And a description, I'm going to use the same, CTO. And I'm going to derive the value from the used very fine. And because cancel to orders are worth considerably less than the postally used items, I usually value them at 15% of the very fine value. So you click OK, and we save it. And now we have a new grade in the grades list. So let's put in a catalog number that I'm going to inventory here. I've scanned this particular stamp, but I also have mint hinged very fine copy, which I'll add, and I also have a used very fine copy, which I've just added. And now I want to add my cancel to order. Well, if you scroll down, there it is. We select it and we add it, and there it is in our list. Now let me switch over to EasyImage, and I've already scanned my cancel to order copy, and you can see that uniform cancel is there. I'm going to copy this into the clipboard and switch back to EzStamp, and I'm going to right click on the main image. I'm going to select image 2. I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to name my image. I always preface my image names with the word my to ensure that I don't overwrite the pre-supplied images that come with EzStamp. And we click on save, and we save the record. And as you can see, there is the supplied image, and there's the pre-canceled image, and there's the automatically calculated value for CTOs. In the same way, you can add zip blocks, copyright blocks, or any other grade type that you want. There are no limits imposed by EzStamp. Let us know if there are any other topics that you would like demonstrated, and happy holidays, everyone. That's it for now.